Hello everyone, this is Jeanette Armstrong, your instructor for the course. I want to start off by offering you this basic video tutorial for Moodle. I'm just going to walk you through Moodle real quick on the introductions here, but today we should focus on our discussion forums. So to begin with, this is what you should see when you first log into Moodle. We have a couple icons here. The first one is the two conversation bubbles. And this indicates that this is a discussion forum. So this is where we'll communicate with each other in writing, but it'll be similar to a face-to-face conversation. We'll look at this again in another area of Moodle. This is the Adobe icon, and it tells us that this is a document you can download. So if you're interested in downloading this document, you just click on it here, and it will open the document for you. Then you can save this to your computer, or you can print it, or whatever you need to do. When you want out of this area, click your back arrow on the top left of your browser, and it should take you back to Moodle. As I scroll down through Moodle, I can see various things that are offered. Again, I see there's something I can download here because it has the Adobe icon on it. Excuse me while I turn that off. I can also see this thing here that looks like a document with a globe on it. This tells me it's taking me to a website. So if I click here, it takes me to an external website. And again, if I want to go back into my Moodle, I just go ahead and hit that top left arrow in my browser, or my back arrow. Scrolling down, I see the Cyber Cafe, and again, it has the conversation bubbles. So I know if I click on this, I'm going to be led to a conversation or a prompt for a conversation. Here's a video that I uploaded for you. Horrible picture, but that's okay. This video will probably take you out to YouTube, so I don't know if you would have any difficulties with this in your classrooms or not, but you would just go ahead and click the play arrow here and the video would begin to play for you. So let's take a closer look at the discussion forum. Here's the conversation bubbles, so I know this is prompting me to engage in a discussion. Anytime I click on those conversation bubbles, it takes me to the actual prompt or the responses from your peers. So here you can see part of a prompt that I uploaded asking you to introduce yourself to your peers. Go ahead and read the prompt, and then when you're ready to reply, you can click in this area to add a new discussion topic, which is replying to this prompt. Or you can see discussions over here on the left side that will be posted by your classmates. So for now, let's go ahead and hit add a new discussion topic. And this will look a little bit like an email. So I have the topic up at the top. I can type in my subject, and then I can type in my response. So I would put my subject matter in there, and then I can begin to type here. And I would continue typing. I do have some editing tools available to me here. These editing tools are similar to the tools you would use in Microsoft Word or another editing device. Sometimes the toolbar up here is a little bit smaller. It's because if we click on this one on the left, we have fewer, more common editing tools. When we click on it again, we have more extensive editing tools. So once I've written my response, I can scroll down. It gives me an opportunity to upload documents, but we'll talk more about that later. And when I'm ready to post to my forum, I click Post to Forum. And it tells me I have 30 minutes to edit this or change it. After 30 minutes, it's posted permanently to Moodle. It automatically brings me back to the discussion area. And now I can see that one person has replied to this response. That one person is Jeanette, and it also shows the date and time that this person entered this. If I want to talk to Jeanette now versus replying to the prompt, I will click on this area over here for the discussion topic. And you probably can't see this, it's cut off the screen a little bit, but if you look to your far right, you would see the words edit, delete, and reply. I'm going to click on reply. and then I can go ahead and change the subject or leave it. For now, I'm just putting this in as a sample so you can follow along. Okay, when I'm done, I will scroll to the bottom and click Post to Forum. Okay, now you can see that Jeanette replied, and then I replied back to her. It shows you what's called a threaded discussion. There we go. And I see that one person has replied to this individual here. So I hope that helps you to get started on your discussion boards. Please monitor Moodle for additional tutorials that will help walk you through this online learning process. And if at any time you have questions, go ahead and contact me via the phone or email, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for participating. Have a good day.